XER Toolkit is cloud-based software. It is straightforward for people that aren't sat at computers every day to be able to go in and look at anything that they want program-wise. It's not just set for one industry. Anybody that uses planning, even council, local companies can use it. So a lot of thought's gone into how can we make planning better. When you're busy on site as project managers or engineers, you just want to be able to get that information quickly, to be able to share the programme, be able to share layouts, to share all of the detailed information for the cost and value of the job. That for me is a key feature. It helps out a lot of people, not just the planners but the wider business. They can go in and see the information fairly quickly. Project managers want to see different things. Not everybody wants to see the same. So you've got project managers there that think, right, what are my critical items and how have they changed through the duration of the job? The quick view allows you to see things like 2-week look ahead, critical path items, your baseline basis, your live. So it is just straightforward, go in, click, and it brings that information up. Buying XER Toolkit makes your job simpler, especially from a planner's point of view. It makes your job less time consuming because the information is there readily available for anybody that wants to use it. So it is just bringing the full project team together because it's software, it's easy to use, user-friendly, and it just enables people to see what you're looking at day in, day out on the project.